Hello everyone! So in this video, we will going to find the zeros of the polynomial function in factored form. We have learned example number 1. We have f of x equals the quantity of x minus 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 4. Okay, to find the zeros of this function, we will going to have the step number 1. Since the function is expressed in its factored form, equate the function to 0 or set f of x to 0. Again, let f of x to 0. So therefore, we have now 0 equals the quantity of x minus 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 4. And now let's have the step number 2. Using the zero product property or ZPP, equate each of the factors to 0. Okay, then now we have the quantity of x minus 3, we equate to 0. And then the quantity of 2x plus 5 equate to 0. And the quantity of x minus 4 equate to 0. And then we're going to solve for x. Okay, now, and this is the solution. We have the first one, x minus 3 equal to 0. And then now, we remove the quantity sign. So, we have now x minus 3 equal to 0. And then, to solve for x, we will going to eliminate negative 3. To eliminate negative 3, we were going to add both sides by positive 3. And this is what we call the addition property of equality. Okay, if you're going to add 3 to the left side, then you also add 3 to the right side. Okay, now we simplify. Then we now have x minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Then equals 0 plus 3 equals 3. Therefore, the answer is x equals 3. Okay, next we have 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Then now we have 2x plus 5 equal to 0. The first step is to eliminate positive 5. To eliminate positive 5, we're going to subtract 5 to the both side of the equation. Okay, so we have now 2x plus 5 minus 5 equals 0 minus 5. Then now we have 5 minus 5 is 0. Therefore, we have 2x equals 0 minus 5 equals negative 5. So, we have now 2x equals negative 5. And then, the next step is to solve for x. We have 2x equals negative 5. To solve for x, we're going to eliminate 2. So, to eliminate 2, we will going to divide both sides of the equation by 2. And now we have 2x over 2 equals negative 5 over 2. And then 2x divided by 2, the answer is x, equals negative 5 over 2. So the value of x in fraction is negative 5 over 2. Okay, now let's have x minus 4 equal to 0. We're going to solve for x. Then we have now x minus 4 equal to 0. To eliminate negative 4, we will going to add 4 both sides of the equation, to the left and the right side of the equation. So therefore, we have x minus 4 plus 4 equals 0 plus 4. And then we simplify. X minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So we have now x. Then 0 plus 4 is 4. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 4. Okay, the value of x are 3, negative 5 over 2, and 4. Therefore, the zeros of the functions are 3, negative 5 over 2, and 4. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.